interesting. So we just like a play, and we wanted to know what is this amino acid. Okay, and just use this site to practice for the amino acid. So I will play that. So destruction shown represent which amino acid. So I found here a carbon and then another carbon, and then you can see here is a carboxylic group, and that is mean acid for me, and then it's longer, so I think it's glutamic acid. That's mean glutamate, gluees. See if it's true. Yes, correct. Then we go to the next. So we have a multiple carbon, and then it ends with the NH2. So I think it's lysine, because that's mean it's basic lysine K. That's correct. The structure shown. Okay, so we have a multiple carbon, and there is a multiple nitrogen. So I think histidine. Oh, that's not histidine. I'm sorry, that is not histidine. That is arginine. Yes, but the histidine there is aromatic ring. Remember, there is N and there is aromatic ring. Okay. And here we can see that there is O, and there is an H2. So you think it's a glycine? No, glutamine. Yeah, because this is amide group, but it's not a glutamine, it's asparagine, because it's, we can see it's small, so I think it's asparagine. Yes, correct. Here acid group, and here it will be CH3. So what do you think? It's methionine? Yes, correct. It's H, and it's very tiny and small. So what do you think? Cysteine. This is carboxylic group because it's COOH, so it's acid. And it's not long, so it's not a glutamate, but I think it's aspartate. And remember, it's D. Correct. Here it's a very tiny, but there is another carbon, you can say. This is a CH3, so it's not the glycine, but it's alanine. Yes, correct. This is what we have a mistake in it, in N, and there is its aromatic structure. So what do you think? Histidine, right? Here we can see there is a carbon, and there is amide group. So it's maybe glutamine or asparagine, but it's a small or long. No, I find it's long, so I think it's a glutamine. Yes, correct. The only structure that is contains two rings is tryptophan. Good. Here we can see it's like CH3, and one of the CH3 is also has CH3. So what do you think? Histidine? No. Phenylalanine? No. Glycine? No. It's between leucine or isoleucine. So I think it's isoleucine. Correct. Here the OH, like one is CH3 and one OH. So do you think what is it? Serine. Oh, sorry, serine is one side of the OH, but not in the other side. But if it's contained the CH3 here, not only the OH, it's threonine. Correct. Again, if we OH and there is CH3, then it's threonine. What we call this? It's a ring proline. And here is aromatic structure, and then OH, so it's a tyrosine. Here is a one H in one side, but there is no CH3 here, so it's serine, not threonine. Here CH3, it's valine. Here C, there is another carbon and then CH3. So what do you think? Methionine, no. Alanine, no. Tyrosine, no. Leucine, because it contains C and then CH3. That is the difference between the leucine and the valine. There is a CH3 is a valine, but there is one carbon and then CH3, so they think leucine. Correct. Here we can see there is a CH and then aromatic structure. So what do you think? Phenylalanine? Yeah, good. Here is a tiny amino acid, so this is a glycine. Here we can see there is a lot of NH and that's mean it's basic. So what do you think that is it? Arginine. Okay, not a new quiz, so we want to change the sequence. We can say maybe from the name. Yes, okay. Click on the structures of the isoleucine. So which one of these groups is isoleucine? Isoleucine, it's here because we have the CH3, and one of the CH3 is attached to another CH3, so I think this one, correct. Here the alanine it's one of the CH3, not this is valine, this is a glycine, and this is arginine, and this is two structures, so it's tryptophan. So the alanine is this. Good. Arginine, this one is arginine. Asparagine, it's not acid, so it contains amide group like this, but it's longer, so this is glutamine and this is asparagine, so I think it's A. I don't know why all the answers is A. Proline, these tiny things with the aromatic structure. Tryptophan, we say what is a tryptophan, all the structures with the two circles, so this is a tryptophan. Lysine, I think lysine, which one? This is lysine because it's long and there is one NH3 in the side, so I think this is lysine, and remember it's K initial. Okay, serine, we always fall in the serine, between the serine and the threonine, so this is a threonine and this is serine. Good. Tyrosine, aromatic structure, and OH. That's it. Good. We have glycine, it's a tiny amino acid, so this is one. Methionine, S and then CH3. That's what I remember about the methionine. Okay, leucine actually it's here because we have the CH, so I think this is leucine. Good. Phenylalanine, that is cause aromatic structures of water 1C, so this is phenylalanine. Threonine, that's mean one CH3 and one OH, so this is threonine. Glutamine, it's not acid, so there is this amide group and it's long, so it's a glutamine. Good. Valine, this is valine. From the central carbon there is CH3, so this is valine, and this is a proline, and this is threonine, and this is tryptophan, and this is what we call then isoleucine, so the valine is this. Good. Aspartate, it's acid, so this is OO, that's mean carboxylic group, but we look, this is longer, so this is glutamate, and this is shorter, is aspartate. Okay, glutamate is also acid, so this is acid and this is acid, but this is shorter, so this is aspartate and this is a glutamate. Good. Cysteine, that is contain SH group, so I think this. And histidine, aromatic structure with 2N. So this is histidine. Good. So we finished this. Okay, let's talk another exercise. So you can play anything. Okay, match by the type. Glutamine. So we have a glutamine. So do you think a glutamine, Q or N? No, it's a Q. And which structure? This, because amide group. And this asparagine N, and this is the structure. So other structure, cysteine C, and it contains SH group, methionine M, and this contains S and then CH3. Okay, another structure, glutamate. It's not acid, so I think it's A. And the glutamate is longer, aspartate D, and it's shorter. Threonine T, and threonine 1 at OH1 CH3, so I think this. And serine is S, and it contains this group. Okay, phenylalanine F, because we said the pronunciation, and it contains one aromatic structure. Tyrosine Y, because of pronunciation and contain aromatic structure. Tryptophan is W, the oldest structure with 2 circles. Histidine H, that is contain the circle with 2N. Proline, it's the smallest, and this is the structure. Arginine, so it's R, and this is arginine. Lysine K, and this is the lysine, which is a basic structure. Oh god. Okay, valine V, and it contains like from the center CH3, so this is alanine, it's A, and this is because it directly contains the CH3. Leucine, it's L, and the leucine, how to difference between this is CH and then CH3. This is leucine. Glycine G, the smallest amino acid, isoleucine, that's CH3, and one of the CH3. So this is the isoleucine. So there is a multiple type we will use to practice many times every day. Like this is the exercise every day to understand and memorize the amino acid. Thank you so much.